Okay, this section is really, in this section of 7.2, we're still on 7.2, but these few problems are really practice using that big minus little divide by 2. Okay, basically my calculator would have said, if this was the problem, my calculator would have said parentheses 0.15 comma 0.35. Okay, and suddenly somebody wants to know what the error is. It's like I got that off my calculator. So I want to do big minus little divide by 2. That's what this problem's asking for. Okay, so 0.35 minus 0.15 is 0.2. Gosh, my calculator's dying. Okay. But anyway, it's 0.2. And then when I divide by 2, it's 0.1. That's what the E is. What's this thing with the P with a little hat on it? Okay, if I was really doing it in my calculator, the next thing underneath the calculator giving me the parentheses is it would give me a P with 3 little pixels on it. So it actually does that calculation. In the previous problem, when it said like 58% or whatever it said, it was actually there embedded in your calculator. It'll tell you what it is. Okay, but in this problem, nobody told me what P hat. It's P with 3 little pixels. That's supposed to be a hat. Okay, P hat is average those two. Okay, so 0.15 plus 0.35 added together, that's 0.50 divided by 2 because I'm averaging is 0.5 divided by 2, 0.25. The exact center, somewhere in between 0.15 and 0.35 is 0.25. That makes sense. Okay, so if I have to write it in that form, it's 0.25 plus and minus 0.1. All right, now let's try the next one. Get some of this out of here. Okay, so basically this problem is asking for do big minus little divide by 2, and it's asking for average them. Okay, so big minus little divide by 2, 0.935 minus 0.812 divide by 2. Right, 935 minus 0.812 divided by 2. 0.057. And then P hat is to average those two. 0.935 plus 0.812. 0.935 plus 0.812 divided by 2. The exact center between those two numbers is 0.8735. Okay, so the answer to this problem would be 0.8735 plus or minus 0.057. And this last one down here is like just go the other way. Well, that actually I don't need any formulas for. It says go with 0.315 plus 0.055. 0.315 plus 0.055. 0.37. .315 minus 0.055. 0.26. And that's all I was asking for. That's just going the other way instead of figuring out E and P hat. It's like if we give you those, can you get those other two numbers?